Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. We have completed our M2 CSL using lots of OEM parts, but we know that aftermarket goes that little bit further. So in this video, we're going to fit 2 aftermarket parts which should make a positive difference to this car. The 2 parts we're fitting today are from MMX. The first one is a differential shield and the second one is a dual differential mount. So I'll explain this product first. These are 2 heat shields, and what happens is when you tune the car, the exhaust gas temperature gets higher, and that means more heat coming from the exhaust, especially if you're on the track or if you fit an aftermarket exhaust, and that heat can then transfer onto the CV joints and then melt those or damage them. So these will fit and act as a heat shield in between the exhaust and those parts, which means that they won't deteriorate as fast, which means that you don't have to replace them. And these mods are really for cars that go beyond factory. Factory cars are absolutely fine, but once you start tuning them or fitting aftermarket exhausts, the exhaust may not have the same kind of heat shielding. You tune the car, the EGTs get higher, so there's just more temperature to deal with. And if you're using the car on track, you're not using it like it was intended to be on the road. So it just means that you're protecting everything as much as possible. The second part is the dual diff mount. We've seen similar products like this for the F80. So for some reason, the cars only come with one mount and it's offset. And there is another hole for a bushing. So it allows you to fit another mount. So in this case, we're going to be using a PowerFlex bush. You can use OE, but we thought we'd upgrade it. And then this mount fits and then secures the differential in 2 places. So instead of having one mount, which after a while will flex, this car is pretty new. It's done 7,000 miles. I haven't felt any flex in the chassis yet, and it feels really tight, but over time, that bush will start wearing and it will start flexing. So this just adds more safety and security to the differential, make sure it doesn't flex. And then that takes all of the pressure off the rest of the drivetrain, which should then mean the car is just sharper on the rear end and nothing deteriorates as fast as it would do normally. I'm going to give these parts over to the techs. They're going to fit them and I'll join you afterwards. As you saw, the parts are very simple to fix, takes no time at all. You can see with these heat shields fitted to the car just how close they are to the drive shafts, so now that is going to stop any heat from coming from the exhaust to the drive shafts and accelerating their wear. And the diff mount, you can see the cast factory going off to the left, and this basically goes off to the right, and the bush is fitted in there. So with this part fitted, it means the differential flexes less, which means there's much more rear end stability and it will prevent any accelerated wear on the drive shaft. Both of these parts are now available on our website to buy. We'll ship worldwide, or if you want, you can also come to us for fitting. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.